Welcome back to Trading with Champion. Today I'm going to go through and give like kind number examples of what's been going on with the market this week. So in the previous videos I showed you the stuff that had gone on in the past just to walk you through it to show you the examples. Now I'm going to show you how you would be looking for them in the day. It's pretty easy. You know the deal. You would know this is bar one. I'm not even going to label them. You guys just, it's pretty simple. Bar one, you've seen it in the other diagrams. You know what to expect. Bar 1, bar 3, boom. Bar 2, bar 4. We're in bar 4, Thursday. This is Tuesday, bar 2, Thursday. We blast off through the low to the open of Tuesday and reject and come back down to the low of Tuesday. Bar 2, bar 4. Thursday is 4. When we're in an even day, we look for even numbers. When we're in odd days, we look for odd numbers. That's it. There's really not much more to this. We can walk through and just show you some other examples of last week to this week really quick. Bar 1, bar 3, bar 2, bar 4. Okay? This isn't rocket science. It's just pretty much just counting. Bar 3, bar 1. So what do we do when we get into this point? We will be looking for the low of the week. That is bar 1. Tuesday went through, then Wednesday went through, came back down, touched the low of the week. We can call this the opening range. It is, but we're not focusing on that. It's just like kind numbers. These are their opening ranges and the closing ranges. These are what makes them. This is what makes the market. I showed you on Bitcoin. Now I'm showing you on some futures markets. Here we are, bar 1, bar 3, shoulder, head, shoulder. Close of day, bar 3. If we're on top of it, obviously we're going to be looking for a low of day type trade or a bounce off of the close. That's your trigger to enter right there. You want to stop below this. Where you want to stop below that? Well, you might could stop out here to this piece out to the side here if that's what you want to do. That doesn't really matter. It's just, you know what I mean? As long as you got yourself pretty safe and you're comfortable and you're not being stupid with your trades, you should be all right to enter this and then be able to ride it up pretty good. You can see it did pretty well. All right. We have bar 2 and bar 4. It's reacting to the lower structures of the 2. 2, 4, evens. All right, let's move along through here. See what's happened today. All right. Well, I mean, not this week, whatever. So we got bar 2 open or bar 1 close. Bar 5, bar 1. All right, let's see what happened with NVIDIA. What did it do? Bar 2 open and ran to, bar 4 open and ran to bar 2. Evens. Let's see here. We have 5 reacting to all the little lower flat level right there of 3. It's not very hard. Just pay attention, like kind numbers. Bar 2, bar 4. The 4 ran to the lower levels of the 2. 3, 5. It's just numerical boundaries. It's not hard. We can flip through anything and show you this. We can do it, so whatever. It doesn't really matter. Bar 2, bar 4. All right. You can look and find this type of stuff. I'm going from 5-day markets to 7-day markets and showing the same stuff. This is some odd structures here. This is why I'm flipping assets to show you. You're not just going to get the same exact trade setup on whatever you're doing. You can get this. If it shows up, then you trade it. If it doesn't, you don't trade it. It's pretty simple. So 2 ran to 4. 4 ran to 2. 2 ran back to the 4. It's pretty simple. 2, 4. If you just pay attention to what I'm trying to teach you, the close levels down here, that low, 2 and 4. Let's see here. You got the closing level of 2, or opening level of 2 over there. 4 bounced off 2, and then bounced off 2's levels again. It's not really hard to see this stuff. And I mean, we're just going from 5-day markets to 7-day markets and explaining the exact same way. Nothing crazy. No crazy acronyms. Bar 3 rejects bar 1. It's not hard. Pretty simple, right? If you see a trade that sets up like this, that's what you're doing. You're basically just trying to make sure that you are trading with the market and how it should be, how you view it should be working between these setups. Bar 4 runs up, bar 2's levels. Pretty much it. Previous day high, bar 2. It doesn't matter. It'll sometimes do both of them. I'm just nonchalantly going through this like it's really nothing. I'm not making a big deal out of it because it's not really a big deal. 2, 4. 4 opened, ran up, high of day, dumped to 2, off of 2, back towards the high of the 4. Just doing this on all kinds of assets here, no big deal. Bar 4 opens, runs to bar 2, bam, right? It's not a real big deal. This is really easy. Well, bar 4 opened, gapped up, ran to the 2. You understand? Odd days, even days. Odds days, even days. There's really nothing else to it. That's it. 4 opened. Down here. Ran to the closing level of the 2. Even days. Even days. Even numbers. Anything you want to do this to, you can do this. It's really simple. I know it seems crazy. 2, the close. Right? 4 opened and ran to 2. 2 gapped up. 3 hit previous day high. 3 hit 1. Odd number, odd number. Even number, even number. All right. Let's see. 4 opened. Where did it go? It ran to the levels of a 4. This structural level. It tried to go to this. But it front ran this section here in which 4 came up and put in a structure. And it's just playing with that structure in a bar 4. That's all it's doing. It's not really hard. You want to just bounce trades between these levels. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Get in, get out. Bar 2 open. Bar 4 hits and rejects bar 2 open. This is pretty easy stuff. It's not that hard. Bar 4 opened. Ran to bar 2. Bar 4 rejected bar 2's open. Bar 2's close and rejected back down to bar 4 open. 2 close. 4 rejects it back to the 4. Even numbers. This is really simple. This isn't really hard. I'm not trying to come in here and sell you guys dreams and all this crazy stuff. And I don't need no Lamborghini. I don't need anything like that to tell you how this works. I don't need to lie to you and tell you flashy anything. It doesn't really matter. 2, 4, even days. 1 and 3 took off. Okay? It's pretty easy. It's not hard. I'm just flipping through chart to chart, just telling you and explaining to you how and what it does, why it does it. Bar 2, bar 4. Why? Because Thursday is 4. We are in even day. We are looking for an even number day level. Here we are. lower section down here of 4 is where this thing went to. These little lower levels here is what it did. 4, 2. I'm just being redundant here a little bit so that you guys will just, I'm not trying to woo you with all kind of crap. I'm just showing you exactly what it does. 1, 3. Right? Odds and evens. It'll do this every damn day for the rest of time. All you need to do is look for something by flipping through your charts, all your little assets you like, and look for, on the day that you are in, the type of number that matches. It's really simple. We are Thursday, an even day. We look for even numbers. It could be one from the previous week. It could be one in the current week. 2, close. 4, opens, runs to 2, close. 4 rejects 2, comes back to 4. Even numbers, bang, 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 bang. Even day, even levels, right? Thursday, bar 4 hits bar 2. Okay, it's not really hard. We are Friday, and day 3 over here, bar 3, bar 5, bar 3. That's what it was aiming for. Front ran and took off. BTC1 here, bar 4, bar 2, bar 2, and bar 4. Why? Even day, even days. Even numbers with even numbers. Odd days with odd days. Even days with even days. Day 1, day 3, odds. Day 2, day 4, evens. You can do this on anything you want to. You just flip through the assets, wait till you break a high or a low. Day 2, close red, lower high, bar 4, gap, bang, lower high, closing level, front run, lower high, direct hit, boom. Where did it go? Bar 4, bar 2, bar 4, right? Does that make sense? Opens up, gaps up inside, hits the top of 2 in the 4, rejects 2, goes to 4, goes back up, and is all in between. You understand? Even days, even numbers. Odd days, odd numbers. Day 4, day 2. Didn't hit those. Didn't hit that. But look at that close level. Why? Day 2, day 4. 4 opens through the 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4 Fibonacci at the level. At the level. Boom. Previous day. At the low of the week. Bar 2. Bar 4. Boom. Boom. Okay? Bar 1. Bar 3. 1. Even day. Odd day. 3. Odd day. 2. Even day. 4. Even day. I'm being redundant because that's all it takes for you to really learn this. Why? Well, some people just learn this way. Redundancy. 2 in last week. 4 in this week. Right? It's not really hard. Just flipping through, pointing easy stuff out. Day 4, day 2. Here's the levels it ran for. Here's your day 2 level. Here's your other day 2 level, right? We ran to the center of the 2 levels. 4 ran to 2, rejected 2, and ran back down to the levels of the 4. So I'm trying to help you guys understand how this works. 5-day markets, 7-day markets, doesn't matter. It's all the same. This didn't do it, we would ignore it. We don't like the setup, we just avoid it. Flip the asset. We're not looking for hard to chase money, we're trying to find some easy money. 2 open. Right? This one's easier money, right? It clearly did. The other ones didn't look like it. This does not look good like this. Bar 4, bar 2, bar 4 levels. Bar 4 opens, rejects 2, goes back down, and hits bar 4 levels. If you're day trading in this perspective, this is all you need. We can do this forever. Let's see. That is the bar 2 close. Bar 4 ran 2. Bar 2 rejected. Came back to bar 4 levels. It's pretty simple. We can do this anywhere, anytime. Do anything we want. Bitcoin, high of the week. Day 3. Bang. Done. Day 2. Day 4. You see that? How clear is that? Is that clear? Pretty clear. 2, 4. 3 was front running 1. Why? That's just what it does sometimes. It did not touch it, but it basically touched the previous day's low. Bounced off, took off, dumped. It's pretty easy. It's not really hard. So I went through a little bit of everything there. So that's pretty much it. Yeah. It's not really hard. You just got to make sure that you pay attention. Bar 2, bar 4, bar 2, at bar 4. Right? You understand? We are in day 4, an even day. Looking for even numbers. Okay? It's pretty simple. Again, the week opens. Odd day. Day 3 rejects 1. Odd day. Right? Even. Even. It's pretty simple. That's all I got for you guys today. I appreciate it if you made it all the way to the end of this video. I was redundant on purpose because I'm not here trying to sell you dreams and flashy stuff. I'm trying to get you guys to understand it's really simple. You just trade from one level to the next. Odds, evens. It's pretty easy. In the next video, we'll get into how you would be doing stop losses and how you can break it down into smaller time frames and stuff like that. So I just want to go through explain. And so we basically look for high of day at previous day high or at the trade level. We wait for the reactions at the level and then we trade and we get in with the momentum best we can. All right. Go out there and chart this stuff up. Pay attention. Flip through. Look at it. Remember, like kind numbers. Odd days. Look for odd numbers. Tomorrow is Friday. It's an odd number. Look for odd numbers. Have a good one.